Find a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit or lie down without being disturbed. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a few seconds and then release it slowly through your mouth. Take a few more deep breaths, allowing yourself to relax more and more with each exhale. Now, visualize yourself standing on a peaceful beach. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and the gentle breeze in your hair. Take a moment to observe your surroundings. Notice the sound of the waves crashing on the shore and the seagulls flying overhead. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine that all of your worries and anxieties are being carried away by the waves. Visualize them as dark clouds that are dissipating in the sky. Focus on your breath and imagine that with each inhale, you are taking in positive energy. And with each exhale, you are releasing any remaining tension or negative thoughts. Take a moment to check in with your body. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort, and imagine that your breath is soothing those areas, relaxing them completely. Now, imagine a bright light above you. This light represents clarity and balance. As you breathe in, imagine that you are drawing in this light, allowing it to fill your entire being with a sense of calm and clarity. As you exhale, imagine that you are releasing any remaining tension or negativity from your body and mind. Stay here for a few moments, basking in the warm glow of the light and feeling your body and mind becoming more balanced and centered with each passing breath. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and take a moment to observe your surroundings. Allow yourself to carry this sense of peace and clarity with you as you go about your day. Remember that you can always come back to this meditation anytime you need to find balance and let go of anxiety.